In the area of restricted and repetitive patterns of behavior and interest, the individual must express at least two of the following: stereotyped or repetitive motor movements, use of objects or speech, insistence on sameness with inflexible adherence to routines or ritualized patterns of behavior, highly restricted, fixated interests, abnormal in either intensity or focus, or a hypo or hyper reactivity to sensory input or unusual interest in sensory aspects of the environment. Just like in the area of social communication, there's a range of expression of these differences in repetitive patterns of behavior and interest. Repetitive motor movements could include motor stereotypies, such as rocking or hand flapping, lining up or flipping objects. There could be the presence of echolalia, or repetitive speech, or the presence of idiosyncratic speech. In the area of inflexibility and adherence to routines, you might see extreme distress at small changes, difficulty with transitions, rigid thinking patterns, rituals related to greetings, and the insistence on the same route or the same food choices at each meal. In the area of restricted or fixated interests, there may be a strong attachment to or preoccupation with unusual objects. There may be excessively circumscribed or perseverative interests that the individual may spend a great deal of time talking about or investigating. In the area of sensory, there may be indifference to pain or temperature. There may be an adverse response to certain sounds or textures, excessive smelling or touching of objects, or visual fascination with things like lights or the movement of objects.